When you think about those great tasting golden grams, you just gotta race home to get that sweet touch of honey. You won't let anything keep you from that big graham cracker crunch. Because wanting those golden grams really gets you going.
Golden grams.
They're the golden part of this balanced breakfast.
You're not just good, you're golden.
Yogi Rev-Ups are now at McDonald's. A different one each week while supplies last. And there's no telling where they'll end up.
It's the incredible Crash Dummies and their Crash Cycles. Come on, Darryl. Let's these dummies crash and come back for more.
Okay, guys. Now it's really crunch time.
For spare tire and barrel, nothing beats a good smash-up.
Don't you be a dummy. Buckle your safety belt.
Release the crash and die. The incredible Crash Dummies. Crash Cycles and Dummies sold separately.
Saturday mornings are magic with Winnie the Pooh and all his friends.
This must be a fantasy.
Hey, what's all a ruckus?
Climb aboard with Tigger, Piglet, Christopher Robin, and Winnie the Pooh. Saturday mornings at 9 on ATV.
Now let's go. We gotta ride into the sunset and live a happily ever after life. Goodbye, Piglet.
This exhibit on litter is amazing. Look, our family throws away so much trash every year. It weighs more than an elephant. That could be tons of litter if we're not careful.
That's right.
Hi, Woodsy. Woodsy, how can we stop litter?
Let's team up to keep trash from becoming litter. Let's keep it where it belongs. Team up.
Join the Woodsy team.
Terminator, now programmed to protect. He's the ultimate weapon against evil.
I'm Power Arm Terminator.
But evil T-1000 can take any form.
You're no policeman. You're right. Fire. No problemo. Take this. You're finished. Not a chance. Now I'm a different Terminator. I'm Techno Punch. Hasta la vista, baby.
Terminator.
I'll be back.
Each sold separately.
Terminator, now programmed to protect. He's the ultimate weapon against evil.
I'm Power Arm Terminator.
But evil T-1000 can take any form.
You're no policeman. You're right. Fire. No problemo. Take this. You're finished. Not a chance. Now I'm a different Terminator. I'm Techno Punch. Hasta la vista, baby.
Terminator.
I'll be back.
Each sold separately.
You've got the longest hair ever.
Totally hot, totally cool, totally hair Barbie. Comb it out, add some depth, shall it scrunch it, now you're set. Make it fun, make it now. Hair so long, it's totally wow. Totally hair, totally hot, totally cool, totally hair Barbie. You've got something special. Wow.
Totally Hair Barbie doll has blonde or brunette hair down to her toes and comes with depth styling gel. Dolls each sold separately. You see, the thing is, I've always loved Crunchy because it's not like any other candy bar. You know, it's actually sponge toffee, which is covered in chocolatey coating, which is very cool, but it's my feeling, however, that the chocolatey coating is there strictly to muffle the sound of that extremely noisy sponge toffee. Not only does it make an extremely crunchy sound, hey, crunchy sound, crunchy bar, good name, an extreme crunchy sound that is apparent to the outside world, but there's that incredible inside your head noise that pretty much impairs your ability to hear your parents, teachers, or any other sounds that could impede your ability to enjoy your crunchy or any other enjoyable activity that could be deemed unacceptable. Of course, you know, if they jumped off a bridge, would you have to too? Crunchy. Way cool.
In the Bsky Bear land not so far away, there's magic happening every day.
The Bsky Bears come alive before your eyes.
They come alive!
Whirling and twirling.
Lassy's got a flower for me.
Soft, fuzzy Bsky Bears and Bsky Bear parents. Wind them up and...
Look what they can do! I love you all!
Bsky Bears come alive before your eyes. 50 bears and 50 bear pairs, all sold separately from Tyco.
Jesse gets messy after breaking his arm.
What's the matter? You never seen a grown man eat cereal before?